smooth. Smooth tires.
I know.
I reckon that's what that was. It sounded bad, whatever it was. Just heard one up there.